Good morning, Tracey. Courtney here at Tameron Honda. I'm going to be your internet specialist at the dealership. Just wanted to reach out to you and thank you for your interest in that 2019 Honda Civic hatchback. I do have a few of those vehicles here on the lot with me. The vehicle didn't really give many specifics on what you're looking on, but just to go over a few: LED lights, fog lights, a lot of nice space on the inside of this hatch. Want to come around here and take a look. Just see all the hatches will have the trim with the dark carpet floor mat. Everything else will just kind of be, as is what you see with the black cloth interior. A lot of features on this car. Cannot fit them all in this short video. I actually see where your address says Pleasant Grove. I graduated from there in 2006, so if you do have some time, give me a call, come by the car lot. Let's see if we can show you this vehicle in person. Again, Courtney here at Tameron Honda, 205-261-8732. I can be reached by call or text. But I'll make you one promise: when you do come in, you're going to love the way you're treated.